In this tutorial video, we are going to create an attractive effect for text. First, type out the text you want. Then, right-click on it and select Create Outlines to convert it from text to a path. Now, using the pencil tool, make some modifications to the letters. Next, use the Smooth tool to smooth out the lines you have drawn. From the Effect menu, select 3D and Materials and then click on Inflate. You can adjust the settings according to your preference. Here, I tried different options one by one until I achieved the desired result. Now, it's time to click on the Render button to get the final output. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.